Did you know there's a drink in China that comes straight from inside a living plant? I'm talking about bamboo water. Water actually collected from the heart of a bamboo stalk, an age-old tradition that's as fascinating as it is refreshing. So why do the Chinese love drinking bamboo water? Let me take you into the bamboo groves for a little adventure. Locals head into the forest at dawn. Ropes, heavy stones, glass bottles. They toss a weight over a tall, swaying bamboo stalk. Bend it gently to the ground, snip the tip, slip the cut end into a bottle, tie it up snug. Over the next few hours, pure bamboo water drips into the bottle, drop by precious drop. Not the only method. Chop bamboo into shorter sections. Heat those sections over an open flame. Warmth pushes water from the cut ends, caught in clean bowls or jars. When that stalk runs dry, they use a fresh one. The result, a pale yellow liquid. A little sweet, super refreshing, totally unique. It's not just about taste. People in China swear by its health benefits. Cooling on hot days, detoxifying the body, soothing a scratchy throat, easing a cough. Some drink it straight, others brew tea with it, cook porridge, or blend it with herbs. Nature's original sports drink. No sugar, no additives, just pure plant power. Next time you see a bamboo grove, remember, inside those towering stalks, there's more than meets the eye. For generations, it's been a quiet treasure, collected, shared, enjoyed across China after a refreshing sip or a soothing remedy. Would you give bamboo water a try? Let me know in the comments. Curious about more hidden food traditions? Hit subscribe and stick around. A world of flavors awaits.